Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Do It Yourself Designs. I'm Marcia. I hope you are doing well today. I would like to share with you in this video how I transformed this men's gingham shirt into a pretty summer dress. Gingham is the hottest trend for spring summer. It's timeless, it's fresh and cool and fun to wear. I really love gingham. It's one of my favorite prints. And I'm really excited about starting this project, and I hope you like this idea. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you'll be notified next time I post another video. So let's get started. I started this project by unpicking the side seams and the sleeves. I love the shape and fit of this Princess Seams shirt dress pattern from Thread Count. I'm only using the body section because I love it how it fits. I laid the pattern pieces on the shirt front section matching the button placket. I am allowing what it would be the seam allowances as I am using the original placket because it is already there, saving me some time. Also, I'm cutting the front side section at the same time. Now I'm cutting the other side of the front bodice section as I have cut the two side fronts separately. I kept the collar section attached to the shirt as I'm planning to keep it as it was originally. At this point here, I'll stop cutting. I folded the back shirt in half and pinned the back pattern pieces to it. As you can see, the collar is still attached to the shirt. I made sure the pattern pieces are very close to the front pieces that I have already cut previously, so they will match up and they will be sewn together afterwards. Front and back at the shoulder seams. At this point here on the shoulder seams I stop. Here's the dress front section. I have already pinned the side princess seams, front and back, and side seams, ready for sewing. I have also pinned the shoulders and I'm going to sew it right to the end, matching the seams where it meets the collar. When you fold the collar, you won't see the joint there, it will be almost unnoticeable. I'm really pleased with the fitting. I'm using the original shirt sleeves for the dress. I gathered the sleeve head and around the arm section to make a puff sleeve. I cut a strip about 4 centimeters in width, long enough to go around the arm. I used the original sleeve button placket to extend the front dress button section to add length and to facilitate getting in and out of the dress, just below the waist area. Before I cut the dress skirt, I measured the body's waist section to find out the right measurement to the skirt width in the waist area. I'm using one of the sleeves to add length to the dress back skirt. I'll make sure I add seam allowances, and I will be cutting with a slight angle, so I will have a little bit of flare on the skirt. I'm cutting the back section now. The fabric is not very thick, so I decided to add interlining. This one is iron-on, super soft interlining. It will add more structure to the skirt without changing much the look and feel of the original fabric. Just make sure you iron for at least 30 seconds in each area, then it will stick to the fabric and will be washable. From the leftover material from the sleeve, I cut some strips of about 12 centimeters in width. Then I joined them together to form a long strip. As I don't have an overlocker, I finished the edge with a row of scallop embroidery, or you can make a narrow hem if you prefer. On the top edge, I gave 2 rows of gathering stitches using a longer stitch length, and I gathered evenly. And now I'm going to attach it to the hem. As you can see, I kept the original hem from the shirt, and I'm just going to put it underneath the hem and sew on top, as you can see. I changed the original shirt buttons for these gorgeous bee engraved ones to make it more interesting. They look lovely. I had to make the buttonholes a little bit bigger because the original buttons were smaller than these ones that I'm adding now. So just make a little slit in each end, and then I'll stitch by hand so it will finish off nicely. I found these beautiful embroidered flowers applique, and I decided to add to the dress. They are quite easy to apply. All you have to do is iron and for a few seconds, and it will look stunning. I decided to cut into individual flowers to make it easier to attach, and I'm going to add a row just above the frill, and it will look stunning. You can't buy happiness, but you certainly can make a gingham dress with some applique flowers, and it's kind of the same thing. I'm really pleased by the way how this dress has turned out. It's very comfortable to wear and perfect for the summer. I hope you like this idea. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That will help my channel grow. Thank you very much, and see you again with another very inspirational idea.